What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the Precision Turbo we got for the single turbo build on our B5 S4. Got the box here, so let's get to it. So first thing we'll do is just crack open the top. Before we get too ahead of ourselves, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I drop the next video, which in this case will more than likely be the unboxing of our Mishimoto intercooler for this car. And we're greeted with some stickers. So we got this turbo from Real Street. They're an authorized precision retailer on eBay. Good thing about these guys is one, it's super fast shipping. They use the guaranteed delivery service, so this took 3 days for me to get it, which is amazing. And I like that they include stickers. Another great thing about them is that they do take offers. So if you catch them on a good day when they're ready to accept offers, you can get a pretty good deal on a turbo. Alright, so now we will get the box out of here. And one other thing before I forget, on the screen you're going to see some flashing designs. They're actually some t-shirt designs that I got custom made. I want to know what you guys think about them. They're not for sale yet, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have them for sale. But because I just reached 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a small giveaway and give away 2 of these t-shirts to 2 of the commenters down below. So make sure to comment and subscribe, and 2 of you will be winning one of these t-shirts. I hope you like them. Boom. And we're greeted with our Precision box. So we'll see all the way around here. So we got Precision Turbo, all the people who have set records there with Precision Turbos, some info on the company, and I think that's whatever else they cater to there. Yeah. At the top here, you'll see your turbo specs. I got a 5858 with a .82 AR for the hot side. And we'll go ahead and crack the box open now. So again here, just more info on the company. Welcome to Precision. Thank you. Another sticker. Info on the turbo. Packing paper. And we can go ahead and pull the turbo out now. Throw that box over to the side. And we have our turbo here. So what we have here is a Precision 5858, like I mentioned earlier. .82 hot side AR. It's a V-band out, V-band in as well. This will be mounted to a pretty much unmodified excess power single turbo kit for the B5 S4. It is a journal bearing, so it's the 360-degree journal bearing Precision turbo, not the ball bearing turbos. The ball bearing turbos are better overall. They should last longer. They spool a little quicker, and there's other good benefits as well. But they also cost almost double the price. So that's why we went with this turbo first. I'm not 100% set on the turbo size I wanted to go with for the S4. So this is a good mid-ground to start on. And from there on, we'll see if we want to finish off the build with either a Garrett ball bearing turbo or Precision ball bearing turbo. So as I mentioned earlier, we are going single turbo on the S4, and I just want to give you a few reasons why I went with this turbo and not one of the many other options. Other choices I had in mind were a Garrett GT35, a Precision 6262, and also a Precision 6266. The reason we went with this one, the 5858, is because I wanted a slightly better response. I was starting to get into a little lag from the 2.7, and I didn't want to make that even worse going single turbo. So the 6262 would have been a good middle ground option for me. Probably would have saw a boost at around 4,500 RPM and a very, very good top end. This one will boost a little sooner, but won't offer the same top end as the 6262. And then the 6266 was just gonna be a lag monster for me, but also would have been a high weight killer. So with that turbo, could have pushed the car, you know, close to or at 700 horsepower. With this, we're aiming for really high 500s to low 600s, which is just where I want to be with the car, just to keep everything in one piece. I want to cruise on the next build for about another year to year and a half until I get the new garage, get the new house, and then we start building the AZR block. But for the meantime, this is going to be it, the single turbo 5858. And once we see how the car does with this turbo, we might move on to a Garrett GT35 or maybe a ball bearing 5858 if I'm happy with how this turbo performs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you're as excited as I am for this build. If you are, make sure to like and subscribe so you can keep up with what's going on. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.